Daily English Conversation. Talking about the weather.
Weather. Dialogue 1. It's an ugly day today.
I know. I think it may rain.
It's the middle of summer, it shouldn't rain today.
That would be weird.
Yeah, especially since it's 90 degrees outside.
I know. It would be horrible if it rained and it was hot outside.
Yes, it would be.
I really wish it wasn't so hot every day.
Me too. I can't wait until winter.
I like winter too, but sometimes it gets too cold.
I'd rather be cold than hot.
Me too.
Weather. Dialogue 2. It doesn't look very nice outside today.
You're right. I think it's going to rain later.
In the middle of the summer, it shouldn't be raining.
That wouldn't seem right.
Considering that it's over 90 degrees outside, that would be weird.
Exactly. It wouldn't be nice if it started raining. It's too hot.
I know, you're absolutely right.
I wish it would cool off one day.
That's how I feel. I want winter to come soon.
I enjoy the winter, but it gets really cold sometimes.
I know what you mean, but I'd rather be cold than hot.
That's exactly how I feel.
Weather. Dialogue 3. It's such a nice day.
Yes, it is.
It looks like it may rain soon.
Yes, and I hope that it does.
Why is that?
I really love how rain clears the air.
Me too. It always smells so fresh after it rains.
Yes, but I love the night air after it rains.
Really? Why is it?
Because you can see the stars perfectly.
I really hope it rains today.
Yeah, me too.
Weather. Dialogue 4. Isn't it a nice day?
It really is.
It seems that it may rain today.
Hopefully it will.
How come?
I like how clear the sky gets after it rains.
I feel the same way. It smells so good after it rains.
I especially love the night air when it rains.
Really? Why?
The stars look so much closer after it rains.
I really want it to rain today.
Yeah, so do I.
Weather. Dialogue 5. I really want to go to the beach this weekend.
That sounds like fun. What's the weather going to be like?
I heard that it's going to be warm this weekend.
Is it going to be perfect beach weather?
I believe so.
Good. I hope it doesn't cool off this weekend.
I know. I really want to go to the beach.
But you know the California weather is really unpredictable.
You're right. 1 minute it's hot, and then the next minute it's cold.
I really wish the weather would just stay the same.
I do too. That way we can have our activities planned ahead of time.
Yeah, that would make things a lot easier.
Weather. Dialogue 6. I would like to take a trip to the beach this weekend.
A trip to the beach would be fun. How's the weather going to be?
The forecast says that it will be warm on the weekend.
So do you think it'll be perfect weather for the beach?
It sounds like it will be.
I really hope it doesn't get cold.
That would ruin things. I want to go so badly.
The weather in California is unpredictable, so you never know.
That is true. The weather is constantly changing.
It would be nice if the weather would never change.
That would be great, then we could plan things sooner.
True. Predictable weather would make life easier. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe.